Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is a game-changer for urban commuters and adventure enthusiasts alike. With its powerful 1000W motor, this e-bike can effortlessly reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour, making it ideal for those who value both speed and efficiency. One of its standout features is the 48V 20AH removable battery that boasts a remarkable maximum range of up to 80 miles on a single charge. This impressive range means you can tackle long rides or daily commutes without the constant worry of running out of power. The folding design is another significant advantage. It allows for easy storage and portability, making it perfect for city dwellers with limited space. When folded, the bike fits conveniently in car trunks or under desks, enabling users to take it along on trips or simply store it at home without taking up too much room. The construction is sturdy yet lightweight, ensuring that while it can support the rigors of daily use, it's still easy to carry when necessary. Performance-wise, the bike excels on various terrains, thanks to its robust tires and the powerful motor. Hill climbs that might typically be challenging on a standard bike become manageable, even enjoyable. The bike also features a responsive braking system, providing peace of mind with quick stops when needed. The LCD display is user-friendly, offering essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled at a glance. This feature is particularly useful for tracking your progress and planning your rides effectively. In terms of comfort, the bike's adjustable seat and handlebars cater to different rider heights, promoting a customized riding experience. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike combines power, portability, and comfort, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or explore the outdoors. Whether you are a seasoned cyclist or a novice, this e-bike will undoubtedly elevate your riding adventures.